Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to curve and warp text in CapCut PC. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have created a project in my CapCut PC. And first thing first, I'm going to go to the text menu and I'm going to add text to my project. I'm going to click on this plus button and we can add the text right here. I'm just going to type in curve text. Okay, and you can scroll down until you find the curve option. This one, just click on it and you will be able to customize the strength. You can go right like this, or you can also go left, and it's up to you. And I'm just going to make it like this. Okay, and you can make the text align with your video like this, and this is the final result. Alright guys, and that's all the way to curve and warp text in the CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.